Hello everyone, welcome back to the online learning session. In the previous sessions, we have been covered with the basic aspects of personality, where we have understood the meaning and definition of personality, the types of personality, then how to develop a positive personality, the various steps involved in developing a positive personality. Then also we have covered the ethics and values. Now we are at the last point of the unit number 1. The point is building emotional stability. As in the previous sessions, we have understood the empathy and the role of emotional intelligence for the development of the personality. The, the point which we will be understanding is building emotional stability. So, what exactly emotional stability? So emotional stability is a desirable trait. It means you can withstand difficult situations, handle adversity, and remain productive and capable throughout your work life. Some people get to a certain point in their lives when they realize that they are not as emotionally stable as they would like to be. So, if an individual is emotionally stable, he can control his emotions and success and he can get success in his life. So if a person is very emotional, definitely it will create problems to the individual in his personal life also and in his professional life also. So for the purpose of handling the work or working in a pressurous environment, one must have to be emotionally stable. So how to build that emotional stability is very important. So emotional stability is the capacity to maintain one's emotional balance under stressful circumstances. As because of the work pressures, people may be feeling pressure, and because of which can result into depression, and that will result into what the cases like suicides, as the recent case of Mr. the actor, that is Sushant Singh, who has committed the suicide. So it is one of the uh, example which will be explaining if a person is not emotionally stable, or if he will not be able to control his emotions or handle the pressures, definitely it will leads toward the failure and he can commit the suicides. So that is why building emotional stability is very much important, because everywhere when people are working, and if they will be achieving the target, so it is a condition of pressure where uh, individuals have to develop the stability to handle that pressure. So how to build emotional stability? So there are certain things which will help an individual to build emotional stability. So the first point is change your perspective. As perspective is everything, how you are looking towards the world. If your attitude is positive, if your emotions are positive, if your negativity is very low, and if you are confident, definitely you can have a emotional stability. Then know you are in control, because your emotions do not have to be the master of your life. You have to control your own emotions. If you are controlling your emotions, then you can be emotionally stable. Otherwise, your emotions will control you and they will monitor your life, and that will be a very dangerous situations for an individual. Then stay grounded. By this I mean, do not let anybody else perception sway you, because there are people those are uh, eating the food from others mouth. So if that kind of situations will be there, if you are following someone else and you are thinking that whatever things are going to happen with that person, those are of me, then definitely it will leads to what, certain problems for you. So you have to be stay grounded and don't think the other's perception is yours. Then don't suppress, learn to listen your emotions, what your emotions are saying, why, what are the reasons behind your emotions, and are these emotions are really important to you, that you need to understand. Then be positive, always surround with the people those who are having the positive emotions or they are having positive thinking, that will help you to build emotional stability. Then breathe. So when you think that you are facing the problems, you are not able to control your emotions, stay calm for 5 to 10 minutes and breathe slowly, and accordingly you will develop or build emotional stability. Then take care of you. You are the one who is taking care of yourself. So that's why don't overestimate that your emotions will overcome on you. You have to handle your emotions properly, and that will help you to build emotional stability. So with this, we'll end with the point, that is building emotional stability, and this is the last point of unit number one. So as now, as a learner of the subject global competency and personality development, with the help of unit number one, we have been understood the personality and the various determinants of personality in detail. So we'll stop here, and in the next session we'll start with unit number two of this subject.